back to my YouTube channel. My name's Kelly. Hi, if you're new, I'd love it if you guys hit that subscribe button down below. I am so excited. Today I'm going to be doing a hairstyle video. So I found a few ideas on Pinterest as my inspiration. I'll share them with you guys so you can see what I'm talking about. But I thought these would be fun to recreate and share them with you guys as well. I did get sent a box of hair extensions from Irresistible Me. I am so excited. So my hair does look longer because you guys can't see like the cutoff, I guess, but I recently chopped all my hair off, so it's super short. I used to have really long hair and I honestly go back and forth with missing it and liking short hair, so you know, and I was just so excited when they reached out to me. So I got the 22-inch hair extensions. This is just what it looks like. I did take it out of the packaging because I've been playing around with them. I will have a link listed down below so you guys can go ahead and shop if you are interested in hair extensions. I do have a 20% off discount code for your first purchase, which is just get 20 off. I will have it on the screen and listed down below so you guys can check it out if you are interested. You don't have to by any means have hair extensions for these tutorials, but I just thought it'd be fun because my hair is kind of short. But just a little heads up, sometimes they have sales going on their site and the sales won't work with the promo code, so I hope you guys understand that. So I just got the 22-inch hair extensions, which is really long. They're just clip-in hair extensions, so they just look like that and they clip in, so that's how they are in your hair, and you clip them out to get them into your hair and clip them back in. They're so easy to put in your hair. I've been playing around with them, like I mentioned. I got this like 2 weeks ago and I'm so excited to finally be sitting down filming this video for you guys. So much hair, and this is 100% real hair. I hope that doesn't weird anyone out, but I'm just so excited to try it. The quality of it is absolutely amazing. I got the 260 gram box, like said on their website. You can see what I'm talking about. So I got 10 different clips to clip into your hair. They have a 4-piece clip, so it has 4 different clips. This is so popular on their website. They sell this alone if you are interested in it. I love this one because it adds so much volume and length to your hair alone, and you can get your hair extensions the same length as your hair. It just adds more volume and everything, which is really awesome. I just thought it'd be fun to get longer ones just to play around with it, but I'm so excited. So first I'm just going to clip all of these into my hair. I got my hair extensions, I got a scrunchie, my hairbrush. I'm so excited. Let's just get into it. Okay, I think that's enough for like a good even amount of hair. But guys, this is seriously so crazy. It feels so much like my real hair and everything, but it is so long. It blends perfectly. I'm so excited. We're gonna do the first hair inspiration, so it's just gonna be a simple braid. I'm super excited. I think I can do it. So here's the inspiration pick, but let's just get into it. The first step for me is pulling my hair over to one side and making sure all my hair extensions are in place, and then I'm gonna start by doing a Dutch braid down the front of my bangs. I do have bangs, and this is a great hairstyle if you're trying to hide your bangs or just like pull them back in some way, and this is really helpful. Again, you can do any sort of braid. If you don't know how to French braid or Dutch braid, a regular braid would work. You just would have to pin it down. You only braid to a certain amount because you don't need the whole strand braided. It's just as far as your ponytail goes, and I like to pull out a few little side pieces just to frame my face, but then I take my scrunchie and put it into like a regular ponytail. It's so easy, you guys, and then I just go by when I'm done and picking up my braid by pulling a few strands out. It just kind of adds more texture and volume and really makes the braid. I just love how simple this hairstyle is, and it's going to be perfect for back to school, or if you're running late, it's just a great go-to hairstyle. My second hairstyle is one of my favorites. I wear this all the time. I like to call it my popping ponytail, and I saw the inspiration pic on Pinterest and I was like, oh my gosh, I have to try this and share it with you guys with my extensions. So you just pull your hair back, and since I am wearing extensions, I wanted to make sure that my extensions were covered, and then I just put a little ponytail in, pull some of my little baby bangs out, and that is seriously so easy. It's perfect for your on the go. It pulls your hair out of your face. I just absolutely love this hairstyle. My third and final hairstyle is this really pretty braid I found on Pinterest. I love how there's 2 different braids in it, but it kind of looks like one if you didn't know how to do it. So you're just going to start with a regular braid. This is not Dutch braid, not French. You're just going to braid 3 strands, and it's really random. I just picked this part of my head because it kind of looked like the picture. And then once you get to the bottom, I like to use those little elastic hair ties to tie it in because it's clear, you can't really see it, and it's not too chunky. And then you're going to pull all your hair over to the side and do a 3-strand braid, like a side braid. These are so cute if you're running late. They literally take less than 10 minutes if you know how to braid, and I just feel like they're great because they pull it out of your face and they're just perfect for school. So it's such a simple braid, and the hair extensions just make it fun because it's so long, and then I can go by again and thicking up my braid. I just love how much texture it adds, and it just kind of makes it more messy looking, which I really like, but it's just so pretty and kind of gives it that beachy look as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. You guys are seriously so amazing. Again, I just absolutely love these hair extensions. They add so much volume to my hair, and I just think they're so much fun to play around with in creating new hairstyles. Let me know down below in the comments which hairstyle was your favorite, because I would love to know. And also give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. That way you can get notified the next time I upload my newest video. Don't forget, I'll have my coupon code listed down below along with the link to Irresistible Me, because they are just so awesome, and I can't thank them enough for sending me these extensions. I'm so excited to keep playing with them and figuring out new hairstyles and everything, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Seriously, thank you so much for watching. You guys are the best, and I'll see you guys very soon with my next video. Bye, guys!